The Filipino veterans during World War II were actually conscripted into joining the U.S. Armed Forces by President Roosevelt.
So, Senor Quezon, I congratulate you, all of you.
But after the war, it was very obvious that they were discriminated.
The young Filipino first learns that his new nation is essentially defenseless against any attack in force by a naval power.
The U.S. Congress enacted a law saying that these Filipino veterans, their service is not considered service under the U.S. government.
None showed more gratitude than did the Filipinos.
They are not going to receive the same benefits as the other U.S. veterans. And finally, in 1990, Congress said, okay, fine, we're going to give them naturalization.
The preservation and protection of the independence they had won.
But how old were they at that time? 70s? But still, the Filipino veterans said, okay, we'll get it. That's what we deserve.
The community is here to struggle for you and to advocate for all your rights.
They fought, they died, you promised, you lied.
What we needed to do is to put into action a well-planned advocacy to address this injustice.
Give our veterans what they deserve.
We want justice for our veterans.
The most serious situation is just like they die alone in their room without their family. What could be worse than that? They were still holding on to the hope that one day America is going to give them what is due to them. This was a scar in the history of the Philippine-American relationship that has always been there and has never been addressed up to this time.